Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Started with the name of Almighty Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Currently we are sharing the topic of stereochemistry, and I will talk to you, this is the most important topic for the pharmacist, because when you look into it, conformational analysis, conformational aspect of the stereochemistry, you can see various structure can be formed within eclipse and stagger like this. Multiple structure could be formed, and each could have its own specificity in that respect. So currently we are sharing with the conformation of butane, little bit higher molecule. Now you can see the pictorial presentation of number 1 and number 2. This is eclipsed conformation of butane, and in that respect they are rather complicated. All eclipsed conformation are equivalent in case of ethane and propane, but in the case of butane, two distinct conformations are possible. One in which a methyl group is eclipsed by a methyl group, and the other in which the methyl group are eclipsed by hydrogen. Now here you can see, this is the methyl group, and methyl group is eclipsed with this, like this, in this way. This is methyl group, this is methyl group, and both methyl groups are eclipsed with each other. Hydrogen are eclipsed with hydrogen, hydrogen are eclipsed with hydrogen. But herein you can see the different thing, that the methyl group is eclipsed with that of hydrogen. Hydrogen is eclipsed with hydrogen, and methyl group is eclipsed with that of hydrogen. These are the two things which varies as compared to all other aspects which we have studied. Of these two eclipsed conformations, the one having larger methyl group eclipsed one will naturally experience more repulsive force than in where methyl groups are faced with the hydrogen atom. Now you can see in this case, what is that one? This number 1 has got more repulsive forces, methyl, like this, keep on doing like this. But in this case, you can see the methyl and hydrogen repulsive forces are not more stronger as compared to this one. Again here, again here, again here. So this molecule is more stable than this one. This is the pictorial presentation which are going to let us know that this is least stable and this is the most stable one in that respect. Now in 1, this is the pictorial presentation of 1. The methyl groups are at an angle of to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Here you can see this angle is 60 degree different from each other. This is called Gucci conformation. G-A-U-C-H-E, Gucci conformation. This is presentation. Now in 2, this structure 2, the methyl group are at an angle of 180. Now you can see here 90, another 90, that means from here to here, that comes to be 180 degree centigrade difference, or 180 degree difference there is to each other. This is called anti or trans conformation, anti or trans conformation. Cis and trans, exactly opposite. The repulsive forces will be greater in 1. Here you can see in 1 the repulsive forces were more, and whereas in 2 this is not that case. Again I would like to let you to know here, and you can see these are the methyl repel each other. But here you can see this methyl group is exactly at 180 degrees centigrade. How they can repel each other, difficult task. For that matter, this structure is the most stable one, and this is the least stable in that respect. Now you can understand from these things that how does different structures are being formed when you administer a drug in the body, and how does they could play the crucial role inside the body. That is the domain of the pharmacist. Now One is Gucci form and the other is transform of the conformation, which we are at the moment studying. Repulsive force will be greater in 1 than 2 to proximate of the methyl group in the former. Consequently, the conformation 2 is associated with least energy and maximum stability. जिसमें जितनी एनर्जी कम होगी उतना ही वो स्टेबल होगा. Torsional strain. As we rotate the molecule from staggered conformation to eclipse, look at this is staggered and we are moving towards now eclipse. As we are moving from staggered conformation to eclipse, its potential energy gradually increase and there is tendency to resist this condition. This resistance to rotation is called torsional strain. Torsional strain. The angle of torsion. In this case, the angle of rotation is called as the angle of torsion. Look at eclipse, staggered form, you are moving like this. And you are moving towards eclipse form. So now here the angle of rotation is called the angle of torsion. More and more angular rotation, more and more torsion will be there. Thank you very much. We have covered up and wind up the topic of stereochemistry, which is more crucial for the pharmacist. That's why we put in a lot of efforts in this aspect.